This is going to be a special one because it's sponsored by a new company I'm working with called ReadyWig, and they sent me over a wig to do a review for you, and I'm going to do this whole fun get ready with me Saturday night edition, so please stay tuned. Okay, so I have my stocking cap on, and this is the box that came in. Yes, it's beat up, I know, because our US Postal Service sucks. Actually, I think I got this through DHL because it came from China. So this is how the box looks. Simple, has their logo on it, and on the inside it says, "I love that we met and I hope you enjoy the hair. ReadyWig.com." So what's really cool is they sent me a couple of treats. So I did get a spray bottle, which I actually needed one of these, so I'm so glad. They sent me one. I got a wig cap, a net wig cap, and I got, where'd it go? I got a little cute little hair clip. It's so cute. Kind of goes with my lipstick. I'll probably end up giving that to my daughter. And then it came with hair care instructions. Let me go ahead and take her out. Nice. I thought this was such a glamorous look, and I wanted to show y'all. The hair is very soft. It doesn't say anything about heat, how high the heat can go, so I'm gonna just assume you can't put heat on this, or not a lot of heat. The parting, I have to work on the parting. The lace is like a kind of brown. I'm probably gonna end up putting my powder on it, of course. The cap instruction, 2 combs. Okay, and it has the lace, obviously, but there's lace from ear to ear. 3 combs, 1 in the back, obviously. So it's 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and then adjustable straps. Your normal cap construction. So let me go ahead and get started. I'm gonna comb her out. I love these curls. It's really romantical. Is that a word? It's really like romance. It's really nice. It's like date night hair. This is like the perfect date night hair. And just try to lay it down. I will say the cap construction, it is rather on the small side. I have like a small medium size head, and so it's like where the hairline, this is my hairline, and the cap is like sitting behind it. I'm so loving this. This is so sexy. Tangling just a little bit, but she's a Cynthia, so she's gonna tangle just a little bit more than, you know, you would with human hair. So tell me what you think about this. So I'm gonna zoom out, and then we're gonna talk about this dress that I'm wearing. Anyway, that concludes my get ready with me video. I appreciate all the love and support I have received. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. All the links will be down below, along with the links to ReadyWig's website and social media links. Thanks for watching.